to understand the concept of timeouts. So we will learn very important question. We'll learn it slowly, not I should. So see, remember, in playwright with TypeScript, okay, managing timeouts effectively is the key preventive thing. Okay, remember. So there is a hierarchy of timeout. There is a hierarchy. Hierarchy means one, two. We have a global per test, per button. Okay. So we have a hierarchy. So there are basically five main timeouts. Okay. That are used in playwright. Okay. So we will be looking into it. So there are five main timeouts that are used here. First is test timeout. So every test case and we write with a start test fine. That is a test timeout. Every test time. So first is test time. It has a default value of 30 seconds. Remember, test timeout. Every test case. Have a, so what is the test? Remember, if I open my folder, so these are every test. Okay, these are every test. Okay. So this is the absolutely time limit allowed to an individual test. Every test has a 30-second time, 30 milliseconds time. Okay. So if you check it out, playwright.config, see, if I go over here, playwright.config, check it out, you will get somewhere there the time is given. It is we can configure here. Okay, we can change it. Right? You can make the changes over here. Okay. Next is expected timeout. That is with our await. Remember, we are putting await. This is await. We are not giving any time over here. Remember, we are not giving any time on any, but await. This test is 30 seconds. Now hierarchy come await. Await is 5 seconds. Await is 5 seconds. Very important interview questions are these. Second is expect timeout. So that is 5 seconds. Okay. So, so this is a the first assertion. This is for assertion. Like await. Like await. Third is action timeout. What is the action timeout? This is 0 second. Action timeout is 0 second, which is for your click. If you fill anything, you click anything. So that is basically your action time. That has no limit. Action timeout has no limit. So you can see zero limit. Fine. Like the maximum allowed for action repeated, like fill and all those things. Fourth is navigation time. So what is the navigation timeout? This main page. This one. See, this click and all this is your that thing, fill and all this your action timeout. This go to is your navigation time. This is also 0 second. Okay. This is also 0 second. 0 second. Zero. So maximum. So there is no limit. Means it the maximum time allowed for is 0 second. It will wait. Zero means there is no limit. No limit. Okay. Here zero is no limit. We have a limit here. Zero is no limit. It is not means 0 second it will wait. It has no limit. Okay. Last is global timeout. So complete test case, complete five, six test cases is we are having. This is also having no limit. Okay. The next is so important is 30 and 5. Else other are 0. That is 0, no, 5. So ultimate time caps. The entire test suite execution runs. Allow all the workers. So it is for complete test. No limit. No limit, guys. That is a very important interview question 100%. Okay, done. Let's see some examples of it. So if I talk about this config, okay, so we go over here where we were looking in this config. So this is a defined config. Okay. So here if you can see, we can put different values. Okay. We can change our global timeout also. So here it is defined as a test directly. So what I can do, go over here. You don't need to, but in interviews they ask. That's why I'm telling you. You can give here global. See, global timeout is coming. Fine. Give some value. Say for entire test suite, 10 minutes I want to save. 10 into 60. This is the formula. This is one of the value I have given. Okay. So this is the way give a I can give the test timeout also. This is the global timeout I have given. I can give a test timeout for a timeout for a test. So how can I do? You can give a go over here, timeout. Well, this is for test. Okay. This will make it as say 45 seconds. I want to make from how much was for the test timeout? It was 30 seconds. Now I want to make it 45. So make it 45 into 1000. Okay. Forward. Okay. You can give your expect timeout also. You can give a expect time also. That is basically for assertions. Remember, we can give a maximum timeout also. So how can I do it? So this is the expect timeout I want to give. Go here, expect timeout I want to give. So give exe expect. Okay, colon. Go here, timeout, colon, 8000, comma. Okay. So I have given the expect timeout over here. So how much for a particular test case? I have given this. Okay. You can give a timeout for action also. So see, third type is action. Third is action. Whatever you are doing, filling it or just filling hops over, you can give this timeout also. How can I give action timeout? Just go over here, put use colon. Okay. Action timeout. Okay. I am suppose I am giving it as 10 seconds. Okay. So give it as 10 seconds. I am giving it as 10 seconds. Right. In the same use, we can give navigation time points also. You can give the 10. This is the action timeout I have given. I can give the navigation timeout also. So this is how we can do the configuration of our different timeouts. Fine. So I'm giving the navigation timeout also for it. Navigation timeout, colon, 15, 15 second I have given. Okay. And even you can give a permanent value for headless also here if you want to say headless true. I'm not giving. You can put the value here also. But in the recording you can see. Okay. Comma. So these are different timeouts I have associated. I have changed all the timeouts. Got it? Everyone, write it down. Write it down. It will be useful for you. This is very important section. Remember, timeouts interview question is always there. Define the hierarchy of timeouts. Okay, done. So I will show you one example. Okay, just we know this example. This is not a big one. Okay, now so let's create a timeout example. I'm creating a new file. Okay, guys. See, we have done many programs. Now you have to be practical because this week I will be starting with framework also. Import, test, back, Chromium, Chrome. And now. So first, this I am putting a option one, set an explicit higher time. Okay. So first is our just see what I'm doing. I'm creating a test, login, verify, dashboard with and explicit timeout. So now I'm giving explicitly a timeout. Okay. Write these comments also what I am writing. This will be a theory. Patient. Okay. So I want to increase the test block time limit. I am explicitly okay putting it. Increase by 60 seconds. Okay. So here I go. Test. Full test. I am increasing its time. Full test timeout. I am doing test. And now, now let's go to our most browser. Away. Chromium. Launch. Address. Comma. That's why I haven't given their value. Now, no, context, wait, new context, const, maybe is equal to wait. Now this will, it will take its time, now 60 seconds. Okay. For the complete test. If it will not be 30 seconds, it will take 60 seconds that everything should work fine. Now I am launching our this website. Okay. Go over here. Await. Go to. Now put the values. I am taking all these values from my past code that I am putting username, password with the help of take yourself. I am taking with ID. Okay, you remember I have done a lot of coding on this username, hash ID, password, and login. I am already having this that code I am putting here. Okay, now, now let's verify the title. So title is having products. Let's see if this title is coming as a product or not. The title is products. Okay, title is product. So let me take this, inspect it. It is under class. This under we have to go to spam. So how can I take it out? Just check what I am doing. So almost product header is dot locator. Fine. Under this, which class I have to go? Here. The class is dot. Under this, you have to go to spam title. Under this, I have to go to spam. Spam dot title. Okay, take it out and check. Await. Spam product header. You have products. Okay, this is the way. Now let's run it. It will work easily. It passed. But it is not time explicit. You do not mean it will wait for 60 seconds, 1 minute. No. If it doesn't find that element, then only it will going to be. But as soon as it finds the element, it will go ahead. Okay, you got it? Write this program. So this was on complete test. That now suppose let's take one more example related to this timeout only. Okay. So we can add something that is locator specific state. We can have a locator specific state. So suppose I'm over here. I'm opening this site. See. So this is the site. Now if I click over here, you will see it is removed. Okay, it is just see it is evolving. You can see something, nothing is here. Okay. That if it will revolve for 15 seconds. Now you can see one thing came. So if I inspect it, so I got one more thing out of it. VG success class. Fine. So this was the button and it was not there previously. It was not there previously. Now it came. Okay, it came automatically in a state. Okay. So now let's check it. Give a particular place a timeout. Okay, a state. I will give a particular element a timeout to wait for it. Okay. So let's create a program for it. So what name should we give? Locator state. Dot that dot yes. Read the theory of it. What I have taught you. Go through the interview question and read as much theory as you can. So I'm taking it same till here. Okay. Going to this side. Fine. Now, now I want to click on this button. I want to click this button. That is expected. So its ID is Ajax button. Okay. I want to click on it. Okay. Here I go. Just go over here. Await. Let me click directly. Await. Page dot locator. Fine. Ajax button. I'm clicking. Fine. After clicking what it will have, it will show me this message. So let me check it. It is in a class V success. Fine. So I take the message. Const AJAX success message is equal to page dot locator. Okay. Here. P class, fine. P dot big success. So it is not directly class. It is P. So you have to put, if it is not directly class, then you have to put the starting element with tag name P dot, then they give the class big success. Now I need to verify. Now I will give a timeout. Okay, I'm click. I will wait for this element. I will wait for this element. Okay. So how can I do it? Await dot wait for find give state column visible comma timeout. Now I am giving 20 seconds. Okay. Wait for 20 seconds. It is 15 seconds already. I am giving 20. And after that, I will verify whether that value came or not. Okay. Await but dot contain text. What is the text? This is the text. Save it. Let's try to run it. See, now I have given to a particular specific locator, which is taking already time. Okay. So these are the examples you should also now start trying. Locator, LOCATOR. Triggered. Now it is waiting. Else it will give you error. Now it will wait for 20 seconds. But our item will come in 15 seconds only. It was. Everyone worked fine? Yes or no? Vishnath, Ajay, Neeraj,
Yes, sir.
Aditi, is it working fine? Right on. Is it interesting? Guys, is it interesting? Hmm? Is it interesting? Yes or no? बोलो यार
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
मैं
I
क्या
have a
करूँ
doubt. Sir,
ask
in set timeout, we are giving a timeout. Then why we are using await?
which this one. See, this is the process.
I
This
mean,
is the syntax basically.
we have
Okay.
explicitly given 60 seconds timeout. Then it will
Hmm.
automatically wait for each element 60 seconds. Then what is the need for await then? We can skip that.
This 60 second, this will be for complete. Remember, this will be for complete test case.
Okay.
Okay. And this is for a single one.
Okay. Then it will that 60 seconds
Now,
means it
now,
will
now,
execute the
suppose this it wait. Now, if this test case is not completed in six, it will wait for all this element to complete in 60 seconds.
okay. And if it doesn't complete in 60 seconds, that it then it will fail.
It will fail.
Okay.
Remember, this this timeout, it is for entire test. Okay, got it? It doesn't look for individual elements. See, this will not look for this element. This will not look for this element. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So now, if you see this await, okay, it does not mean it will wait for 20 seconds. Okay, it will pause for 20 seconds. Fine, till it gets the value in 20 seconds. Else, it will fail it. This will be the for all. Okay, and it will not look line by line, but here it will be line by line. Yes, David.
Uh, yes, cursor is on the page. not able to view the code. Uh, Hello, hello, sir.
Okay. So you have seen the timeouts. Okay, guys. Any questions do you have? Because we will be starting new topic tomorrow. I don't want we should mix it out. Okay.